Salamat, Madam President. Not to interpolate the good gentleman from Taguig, but
You're always welcome,
and
my
Pateros.
colleague in several congresses in
Yes.
different times of crisis and of generosity in our country. You can interpolate me anytime.
Salamat, Madam President, good gentleman. But it's really just to thank the good gentleman from Palawan dun po sa pagbanggit muli sa dalawa sa bills na hiningan ko ng clarification kahapon sa Senate President. Ang mga kalahating dosena ito. And thank you, Senator Erwin, sa pagbanggit muli dun sa Anti-Hospital Detention Bill at saka yung Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers Bill. Dahil ito po, Madam President, itong dalawa ay halimbawa ng ready for amendments na on the floor. So, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Senator Erwin at dahil nag-motion sila kanina kung itatackle po yan, sinasegundahan ko po subject to the decision of the new leadership kung alin sa mga bills na ito sa iba't iba nating mga komite na hinug na for completion of a certain period, for example, in the legislative
Yes.
process,
So,
para at least maisara na po. So, yun lamang
just for
po,
the information of
Mr. Madam
everyone,
President.
after the speech of Senator Win, the majority will go into a caucus. You're most welcome to join us if you're going to join the majority. Afterwards, on Thursday, I will be meeting the Secretary General, the Deputy Secretary Generals, the COMSECs, the other department heads, and I did this in the House of Representatives to encourage them and empower them. So parang bibingka, yung apoy na sa ibabaw na sa ilalim. So on one hand, the chairman will make certain decisions, but we want to empower the COMSECs to push. And tamang-tama yung timing kasi when we were planning this yesterday, nagsabi nga na may LEDAC sa Tuesday. So right after the luncheon, which will talk about legislation and how to prioritize and how do you call it, work very productively in the box, but how to work out of the box. We will be also meeting with the LEDAC Secretariat at 3 o'clock. No? So yun lang po, if you can submit by today or tomorrow, what's your top 10 bills, but maybe put an asterisk or whatever. What's the 7 or 10 bills we can agree on as a body that will really help us during this time of crisis. No?
Salamat po sa
Thank
good
you.
gentleman from Taguig and Pateros, Madam President, and I will happily and proudly stay with the minority.
Thank you.
Thank you,
For now,
Senator Antaveros.
I will accept that answer for now, Madam President.
Thank you.